Hi friends, today in this video we will know how to hide any folder in Windows. So for hiding any folder, click on that folder you want to hide, go to properties, click on hidden, click on OK, and here you can see the folder is hidden. If you want to see that folder again, then go to view, click here on hidden items. Here you can see the hidden folder is visible, and if you want to unhide this folder, then again do right click, go to properties, then uncheck this box, click on OK, and you have successfully unhide this folder. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe your YouTube channel.